Okay, time for another grocery haul. Today I went to Whole Foods. Let's see what I got. So, pro tip, if you live in an apartment building with lots of steps, like you live on an elevated floor, get one of these carts from Amazon. I think they're like $20, and put all your stuff in, or as much as you can fit in, and wheel it up the elevator. Or if you have to like walk to your apartment, this is a lifesaver. And you may be asking, your favorite color must be red. My favorite color is not red. It's not. The only color available when I got the cart was red, and then the only color available of my Trader Joe's bag was also only red. So actually, like, out of all the colors in the world, red is probably my least favorite color. So it's just ironic that I have two red things. And everyone's always like, oh my gosh, you love red. I'm like, I don't love red. Okay, let's do the grocery haul. I got eggs. I got these large brown eggs. I got 2 of these. Broccoli florets, frozen. This organic Mexican style shredded cheese. This is actually on sale for $3.99. Some of this Whole Foods garlic butter. If you've never had this, this is what they put on the Whole Foods garlic bread, and it's divine, and it's like relatively cheap. It's only $2.80, and you get like 2 little, I don't know if you can see, 2 little like little spoonfuls, I guess. Got that. Frozen hash browns. These Greek yogurt mango bars. These are really, really, really good. If you have like a sweet tooth but are trying to like eat less sugar, these are what you need. They're so good. Of trying to eat less sugar, I got some of this Ben & Jerry's fish food, and like, look how cute it's like the 25th anniversary. Look how cute the packaging is. Did I get it for the packaging? Perhaps. But I've also really wanted to try this flavor for a long time, and on my period, so I said, you know what, treat yourself. It's all about moderation, folks. I got this little Khalifa Farms cold brew. I'm waiting for my Nespresso pods to come in, so I've been buying a lot of like lattes at the coffee shops, and I need to stop. And right now there's 25% off all pre-made coffees at Whole Foods. So I just picked this one up to hold me over until I get my Nespressos, and it was 25% off. And I got the one and only, the queen herself, Miss Oat Milk. And I got four things of extra firm organic tofu. I'm in my tofu era right now. What can I say? I'm loving doing sweet chili tofu in the air fryer. I'm gonna do some barbecue tofu. So I got 4 of these to last me for a little bit, and I'm just loving tofu at the moment. I'm a tofu girl. Kashi Go Crunch Peanut Butter Crunch cereal. If you've never tried this, you have to try it. If you love peanut butter, it's giving like Reese's cup and a cereal, but it's way, way, way more healthier than that cereal was. There's 10 grams of protein, there's only 8 grams of added sugar, and there's fiber, whole grains, and lately I've been on a cereal phase, so I've just picked up, I actually picked up 2 of them because these were also on sale. There are so many good sales today. These are on sale for $3.49 and they're normally $4.99. So I picked up 2 of these. Organic whole wheat tortillas. Organic flour tortillas. Barbecue sauce for my tofu. I got some broccoli. This extra virgin olive oil spray. Got a bag of avocados. one ripe avocado that I'm gonna eat tonight. A couple Japanese sweet potatoes because I just love these. They are the best sweet potato in the world. Organic sweet chili sauce for my air fried tofu. This chili garlic Cholula. This was also on sale and I just needed more hot sauce. I got a bunch of canned beans, garbanzo beans, black beans, I should have got another black bean. I don't know why I didn't. One black bean and then a can of sweet corn, passion fruit LaCroix, and yeah, let's put all this stuff away. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!